welcome to Jumanji. It's nice to see you all here again. As you know, I am Nigel Billingsley, and Jumanji needs your help once again. Sky pirates have landed in the rainforest and are terrorizing the villagers there. You, Dr. Bravestone, and your invaluable help of associates must climb the high mountains of Jumanji in these vehicles I have provided. You must locate the sky pirates and protect the rainforest people from certain doom. Thankfully for you, sky pirates always leave a trail of broken parts, so you can follow them wherever they go. And remember, the goal for you is recite and verse. Defeat the pirates, don't make it worse. If you wish to leave the game, you must save Jumanji and call out its name. Good luck. The fate of Jumanji is in your hands.